This is Lisa. Lyndon and I had a one-night stay at the Seminole Brighton Bay Casino and Hotel in Okeechobee, Florida. The first hotel to open on the Brighton Seminole Reservation. We reserved the room through the Hard Rock Unity app. It features 100 guest rooms on 4 floors, fitness center, and outdoor pool. Our room was a 315 square feet Deluxe King on the 4th floor with a pool view. The decor was warm, earthy design, a full-length mirror, big closet with extra blanket, steam iron, a board, hangers, robes, safe and luggage rack, 65-inch flat screen TV, a coffee maker with Lavazza coffee, ice bucket, complimentary bottles of water, mini refrigerator, desk area with a lamp and chair, blackout curtains, separate seating area with lounge chair, end table, and floor lamp, plush king bed with fresh linens, nightstands on each side of the bed, plenty of lighting and plug-ins, and alarm clock. Flooring was wood look laminate with area rug underneath the bed. Thermostat for you to adjust. The bathroom features a separate toilet area, full-size mirror, makeup mirror, single sink, plenty of fresh linens. The walk-in shower has 2 shower heads. Dispenser style shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. A peephole and privacy light button. The property has a bowling alley with 10 lanes and a huge bingo hall. 4 dining options: slice, constant grind, EE 2-liter KE grill, and Josiah Steakhouse, a gift shop, casino with slots and live table games, and EV chargers. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on our next adventure.